Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper has an LED notification light. TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper doesn't have a dedicated LED notification light in the front that indicates if you have some notifications, but if you need that, you can enable the flashlight at the back to flash whenever you receive a notification. In order to do that, go to Settings, then scroll all the way down to Accessibility, then scroll down until you find Audio section, and here you will see Flash Notifications. Then you can enable Camera Flash, and now I'm gonna show you the preview. Whenever you receive a notification from now on, you'll see this flash. So it's a double flash from the flashlight. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.